The 2008 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, tow hitch, remote engine start, CD changer, anti-lock braking system, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry. Your new ride is just a phone call away.